बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। काइंडली आप लोग भी कलमा पढ़े। अच्छा, आज हम जिस टॉपिक के ऊपर बात कर रहे वो हमारे पास है नेगेटिव इम्पेरेटिव। लेक्चर 18 में हमने डिस्कस किया था अच्छी तरह पूरे डिटेल के साथ कि व्हाट इज़ एन इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस and how it is used like as a command, how it is used as a request, or how it is used, like we have four various types of its using. Today we are basically talking about negative imperative sentence. If someone asks you what is negative, as I told you, our SLO is what is negative imperative. First of all, we will have to learn this. What is, कोई आपसे पूछे what is negative imperative sentence, you have to say that it's quite easy. The sentence that starts with what? Do not. Okay, the sentence that start with the do not. For example, I'm going to write an example over here. Like for example, this is an English language class, and if someone is speaking Pashto and their Qari asks him, do not speak Pashto or I will fine you, वरना आप जुर्माना हो जाएंगे. So he will say, do not speak what? Pashto. Pashto ना बोलो. ठीक है, Pashto ना बोलो. So this is what is negative imperative sentence. The sentence they start with what? With the do not. It's quite easy. Okay, like we studied earlier in lecture 18 that what is imperative sentence or what is command sentence. So the sentence that start with a simple verb. Yes. So it's already quite clear to you that, like for example, go out, come here, they are what? They are imperative sentence. But the sentence they start with a do not, like take the example of this, do not plus verb and plus object. Okay, now I'm going to write the active structure of this. Active structure. Okay, how the active structure would be? Look at, first of all we will have to bring do not plus verb mean first form. मैं थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ यहाँ. फर्स्ट फॉर्म. ओके, प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. फिर क्या कहना? प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट एंड प्लस rest of the sentence. Okay, Zia? Yes, sir. Rest of the sentence. Look at here. Do not plus verb mean first form of verb and plus object and इसके बाद rest of the sentence. For example, I'm going to write this fairy sentence over here. Or for example, I'm going to write another sentence. Do not write. Do not write. Do not write on red ballpoint, red pen, or you will lose marks. Look at here. This is subject, this is a verb, and this is what? This is an object, and this is the rest of the sentence. Okay, my brother? Yes, sir. Okay, rest of the sentence means like it may be longer, like if for example I say do not speak Pashto or I will fine you. Yes, sir. Okay, so or I will fine you is rest of the sentence. ठीक है ना? Yes. ठीक सर? Yes, sir. यार और आओ ना होगा वही क्या? Yes, sir. Okay, now passive structure. Passive structure. It's quite easy. It's quite easy. First of all, you will have to bring let, plus you will have to bring not, plus you will have to bring object, plus you will have to bring be, plus you will have to bring third form of the verb, plus you will have to bring what? Rest of the sentence. Look at here. I'm going to use this very sentence. Do not speak a Pashto. Okay? Like for example, do not speak, yeah, do not use red pen. अब देखिएगा, according to the structure, first of all I will have to bring let, and then let not, and now what is the object over here? A red pen. Let not a red pen be, and then I will have to bring but be, and then third form of the verb. Let not a red pen be used. समझाते या नहीं? ठीक है. सो इट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चर. अगर आप स्ट्रक्चर के मुताबिक जाते हो तो इसमें कोई ऐसी मुश्किल बात नहीं. लाइक लुक एट हियर, डू नॉट स्पीक पश्तो. सो पश्तो इज व्हाट? पश्तो इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट ओवर हियर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल हैव टू ब्रिंग लेट नॉट पश्तो बी स्पोकन. ओके. और like sometime people like say this, let Pashto not be spoken. Like they write basically like this. They bring object first. This is one structure. The second structure is this. Like sometimes people say no, this is like this. Let plus object. फिर गई क्या ना? Let plus object plus not plus third form of verb, plus be, and plus a third form of verb, and plus rest of the sentence. Like they say, like let not red pen be used, and they may say let red pen not be used. It's quite easy. Okay, so look at here. Do not, for example, do not speak Pashto. So let Pashto not be spoken, and let not Pashto be spoken. Okay, so this was our today's lecture. If you have any question, so you can ask me directly. And those who are watching my videos, if you find my videos fruitful for you, so kindly share it with your friends as well. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. If you don't have any question, please tell me in the comment box कि आपको मेरी वीडियो कैसी लगी. Moreover, डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको हमारा फेसबुक पेज का भी वो लिंक मिल जाएगा. काइंडली आप हमारे पेज को भी लाइक करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.